Hey, what is up everyone? Hope all of you are keeping well and safe. I am back again today with another video. Something that is quite exciting because Mr. Lai from Mobot actually got in touch with me and sent me a bicycle to review, and I think this is going to be something quite interesting for all you guys out there who is actually looking for something similar to a Brompton. I would say it's actually quite similar to a Brompton. Why? It's because the way it folds. And if you're looking at a foldable bicycle that would fold very conveniently into a very small footprint, in fact, it's almost no difference from Brompton, and I find that kind of amazing. It's actually called the Camp Royal. Yeah, so check it out. Pull this towards yourself, and then it folds up like that. And then if you want to fold it back down, and then boom. That's how you actually fold the pedals. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this foldable bike out for a ride. I'm just gonna give everyone my thoughts on this Mobot Camp Royal. It's a 16-inch wheels, and it's got shifters, and it's got that bar that looks strangely like a Brompton. Even the seat as well. So for all the Brompton fanboys, I think just look away. It's not a Brompton. Yes, it's like a Brompton. Obviously, it is obviously something that's more affordable. This thing retails for 1,299, and it's actually extremely good value if if some of the Bromptons in Singapore is a little bit out of reach or out of budget. It comes with a 5-year warranty. Yeah, it's made from steel. The weight, it's around 13.1 kilograms. And overall, I think it even has this block here, for all your Brompton bags if you want to just slot this in. All right. I am assuming that if you will like to modify this Camp Royal, I think it's going to be possible as well. But yeah, let's go for a ride, and I'll let you know what I think. Yeah, okay. Let's go to the playground, okay? Yep, all right. And this Camp Royal actually has 6-speed, and it's pretty silent. Yep. So it rides. It's a very smooth ride, actually. Very smooth ride. It's got 6 gears. Yeah, I told you already not to carry your stuff. Okay, careful, okay? So I'm just gonna ride to the playground. All right. So you can hear that the rear hub doesn't make as much sound, like the birdie that I have. Obviously, the birdie that the hub that I'm using on my birdie is obviously a racing hub. So yeah, it's quite noisy, but this is very, very silent. You almost can't hear anything. Changing down the gears. All right. Okay, I'm on the lowest gear right now. Let me upshift it. So I'm changing the gears here, as you can tell. Really not bad at all, man. So let's look into the foldability, and that is the one thing that I'm actually quite impressed with, and I am sure you guys will agree once you see the way this thing folds. It's not lying when I say it's exactly like a Brompton. So if you're looking for a very similar footprint, yep, hang on, I'll come over. If you're looking for a similar footprint to the Brompton and you just want to use it for recreational purposes, bring it to like East Coast Park, the park connectors, I think this can be a very good and affordable alternative to the more highly priced Bromptons. Yeah, I really don't see any downsides to this Camp Royal from Mobot. It actually rides really well. Again, what are the reasons why someone will consider a foldable bicycle? Let's just talk about convenience. The reason why foldable bikes have caught on and so popular these days is really because of the way you can actually just stow it away in a corner, pretty much like what I've done with both my Birdie and my Brompton. And it's a similar situation with this Camp Royale. Now, without further ado, let's just jump into the foldability. Alright, like we all know, the Brompton doesn't require any kickstand, because whenever you come to a pit stop, what you can do is just stow it away in this manner. So similarly, say for example, I can just very simply, this is the convenience store right in front of me, and all I need to do is just, it's got this little lever here, pretty much the same thing like a Brompton. Lift it up, and then this is in the kickstand format, like for most Bromptons. So let's say if you wanted to stow this away, simple, okay? And then you just do, okay, this is the pedal position, all right? And then you do this, and then, all right? And then the bar goes down. Done. Just like that. It's pretty impressive, I must say. This is the Camp Royale in its folded position. I bet no one can tell that it isn't a Brompton. One would assume that this is a Brompton, right? From like a distance away. All right, so let's unfold this thing. All right. Okay, I go to my storeroom, and then let's do this. Okay, let's do it fast. Obviously, these are like the stock knobs. Oops, sorry. It's been a while. Seat up. Okay. I was just trying to get ahead of myself, but you get the idea, you know. If you're a Brompton user, you know, normally you would just want to fold it out quite quickly, but yeah. Boom, that's it. All right, again, let's do the fold one more time. Okay. Boom. Done. Unfold. Okay. And then, yeah. And then you ride away. It's okay, darling. Now, overall, I think this is a very good effort from Mobot to try and create something a little bit more affordable for anyone who may be looking at the folding footprint of a Brompton. It comes with the bell as well, and it comes with the front block that you can retrofit any Brompton accessory on, or Brompton built bags onto the front. And again, the emphasis here is on the foldability factor of this Camp Royale. And this happens to be the signature colors of the Singapore flag. All right, darling, shall we go back?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna take a ride back home. This is really neat. I have no commercial interest in promoting this, except for the fact that I think anyone who may be interested in purchasing a Brompton for its footprint and looking for an alternative, this is really quite, this is something that I think anyone should consider if you really don't want to spend the additional dollars on a Brompton. Let's go, go, go. Okay, so now we have the Camp Royale and the Brompton side by side. So let's go for a top view. Side view. Okay, now you know what I mean when I say you almost can't tell between the two. Yeah, the Camp Royale looks like it has a thicker center tube. Could be wrong, I probably need to measure this, but damn. Let's try pushing this. Same. My God. Okay, this is like the rear view. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that short little video that I did. Like I said, these days, nothing much is really going on. I don't really want to upload videos for the sake of uploading videos. And oh yeah, I kind of stopped posting on my Instagram as well. I'm going to post a link down below with my new Telegram link. I'm going to share more interesting views on what I think about privacy, with what's happened with Telegram. with WhatsApp, sorry, not Telegram. And I've also deleted my my WhatsApp account for the kind of policies that you're trying to throw onto their users. It's Facebook, it's Instagram, and then now WhatsApp. Trying to share user. I'm really so sick and tired of all this, I would say, abuse of the users' trust. We are literally right now the product on on all these platforms, and it's horrible. So yeah, I'm going to post the link down below for my Telegram channel. Join if you like. I would be posting more of those privacy-centric stuff because I think that everyone reserves their right to privacy. So having said that, I hope you guys enjoyed the review that I did for you between the Camp Royale and the Brompton. And if you are looking to make a purchase, I hope that helped you as well. I would totally buy one if I didn't already have already two foldable bikes. So until next time, I should be back with another foldable bicycle from Mobot. Yes, these are the kind of things that kind of excite me because COVID is still around, still a damper, and still making lives miserable. But hang in there, guys. Use your mask, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.